To enable messaging app protection feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap auto blocker. If auto blocker is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now tap the gray on off switch next to messaging app protection to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that the messaging app protection feature is on and the Samsung message card will block images suspected of contain malicious media content or malware in messaging apps. This will include apps made by a third party to ensure that your device and data are well protected. Given to the important function of this option, it's recommended that you turn on this option on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.